Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a Bukkit plugin tutorial for this new plugin called Guess My Thing. Now, Guess My Thing aims to be a game very similar, well actually the same as the game called Draw My Thing on Mineplex, and telling you now, the author has done a really good job making it like the real thing. So I've made a real quick arena here. You can make yours a lot more fancier. I want to be quick just for the tutorial's sake, and that's what I did. Now keep in mind that at the top of it you do need these colours: white, black, red, orange, yellow, green, purple and brown. I think they can be in any order, but that sort of looks the nicest in that order. Yeah, now this plugin does require WorldEdit, so make sure you have that installed, and also the plugin has to be run on a separate server. It's not compatible with Multiverse. You can't run it on a different world on the server. Okay, so let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is you need to set a spawn that all players are going to spawn at before they even join a game. To do that, you type GMT space set lobby. You've now set the main lobby. Now you would obviously do this inside your amazing mansion, and then players can use this compass to join the game. But we're not going to worry about that. Now we need to create the arena. Real simple. Select the top left corner, and you go and select the bottom right corner, and then you just type GMT space create and then the name of it, so tutorial. Now take note of the ID of the game that's created. Obviously if it's your first game, it's going to be game 1, but if it isn't, make sure you remember the number of the game because you will need it. Okay, so now you've got to set out spawn points for the players in the game. So GMT space set spawn and then the ID of the game 1. So we set spawn 1, spawn 2, spawn 3, spawn 4, spawn 5, spawn 6, spawn 7, spawn 8. Okay, so we've set all the spawns for that. Now we need to set the lobby of the actual game that we just made. Okay, so I just made this. It took me about 3 seconds, but anyway, GMT space set game lobby and then the ID of the game. So we've set the lobby, and now we need to set the spawn point where people spawn when they get to draw on the board. Yeah, you can spend a while getting it even. I'm just going to say right here. So GMT space set drawer spawn and then the ID of the game. So we've done everything we need to in game. Now we're going to head over to the config and I'll show you how to use that now. Now in the config folder you're going to have 3 files. I'm not going to worry about the games YML. I'm just going to be going over the config and the words YML. Okay, so first one, compass on join. This basically gives a compass where the players can select which game they want to join when they join the server. Leave that as true, that's the easiest. You can type GMT join etc, but this is the best way to do it if your players don't know how to do commands. Now draw a move, self-explanatory. It basically defines whether the player is allowed to move when he's drawing. False, I'll just leave it as false for this. Okay, next file, self-explanatory. Words, it has all the words that people would be drawing. To add a word you type, or you make a new line, put a dash, space, and then the word with, I think, a capital. Yeah, you put a capital on the beginning because that's how these are. And that's all you have to do for the plugin. Yeah. Thanks for watching my tutorial. This is the first plugin tutorial I've ever done, so tell me what you think about it in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching everyone.